So this is how you can add motion blur to CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our CapCut guide. Today I'm going to teach you how to add motion blur to your videos. So let's get started by putting a video down to our track. And as you can see, this is our video. Now we're going to want to just slice it or split the videos into parts. You can split it where the angles are changing, but I'm just going to do it however I want because it's just a simple tutorial. I don't have to fix it. So just copy the whole thing and then paste it. Now what you're going to want to do is go to effects. And here you will see blur. If you don't see it, just simply search for blur in the search bar. But now tap on blur. So now that we have blur, you're going to want to just glide it over the video to cover it up. And as you can see, the whole thing is blurred out. Now you can select everything and then either tap on Alt plus G or just simply right click and then create compound clip. Now it's going to be one single clip. So now we have this. You're going to want to go down to blend and opacity and each add a frame to these clips. And you can also add keyframes in between to make it smoother. So I'm just going to do that real quick. And now that we have these keyframes, we're going to want to go on the first one, make sure that it's at 0, and go to the next, make sure it's at 100, next 0, and so on. Let's go ahead and watch it real quick. And as you can see, it keeps on changing like that. So that is how you can do motion blur in CapCut PC. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.